Today's topic is heap sort using bottom-up approach. First, we'll see what is the definition of heap sort. Heap sort is a sorting technique used to arrange the numbers in ascending order or in descending order. This sorting technique uses creating a max heap so that the root is the highest element than the children or less than the root. The same condition is true for each subtree of a heap. The main advantage of this technique is the sorting technique can be easily implemented using arrays. This sorting technique consists of two phases. First one we call it as heap creation phase, and the second one is sorting phase. What is this heap creation phase? A heap can be created using bottom-up approach as discussed in the previous section. If we want the items to be ordered in ascending order, you have to use max heap. If you are using it in the descending order, use min heap technique. Next, how to do this heap creation? There are two techniques. I'll tell you later while solving the problem. Next is sorting phase. In this phase, the items are arranged in ascending order. Same thing if you are using max heap, or descending order if you are using min heap. And this is achieved by using two steps. First one, what you have to do is you have to exchange the root item with the last element of the heap. Means if this is the last element, you have to exchange this with the root element. The second step is you have to decrement the size because you are exchanging it and you are you are sending it into the array. So you have to delete or you have to decrement the size of the heap by 1. And you have to create the heap by using bottom up, you call it as heapify. The method of exchanging this with the root node, with the leaf node, we call it as heapify, and you have to store it in an array. Okay. You have pseudocode for this. The pseudocode consists of two steps. As I told you, one is for doing exchange the root item with the last leaf. Second is to recreate the heap from the root. So the first, as I told you have to exchange the first element. If I take it as a of 0 and with the last element a of I. And next you are using this exchange method. We call it as heapify, as I told you before. That is bottom up heapify I comma a. And first the pseudocode. This is used to what? Exchange the root element with the last leaf. And this is used to recreate the heap from the root node. Okay. The complete algorithm is shown like this. Before explaining this algorithm, I'll solve the problem and then I'll come back to the algorithm because you'll understand more clearly. For a heap sort, what you have to do is first you will take a example 50, 25, 50, 30 and 45. This is a binary tree, a complete binary tree. As you can see, there are three levels here, level 0, level 1 and level 2. So it's a complete binary tree, or you can call it as fully complete binary tree. As I told you, what you have to do in the first step, you have to exchange. If I take this as 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, you have to exchange this a of 0 as I told root node with the last leaf node. This is a root node. 100 is a root node here for this example, and 45 is the last leafy node. So what you have to do, you have to exchange. The first step is what? Exchange a of 0 with a of 6. So what happens? You are exchanging this with this. So what happens? 45 followed by 75, 80, 25, 50, 30 and this 100 comes here. So whichever we will swap, we will put it in the table. Or what you can do, you can create one array and whatever swaps here, the last element that is deleted, you can put it in the array. That also you can do. That is the one method. Or here only you can write it as sorted part, or this is a sorted array. Okay, this is also already exchanged, so you can write it as like this exchange. Okay, this is your initial heap. Next step. Take the same as it is as you have exchanged here. So what you have to do in the next step, you have to exchange next element. I think this becomes 0 now. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This is already gone. It is not there now as of now. So which is the last leafy element? 30. Now what you have to do, this 30 has to be exchanged with this a of 0 element. So write down next step, exchange a of 0 comma a of 5. So I'll write down first this 75, and I think this is 25, 50, 45, 30, 100. This is already swapped, so keep it in the table itself. Now exchange a of 0 with the fifth element. Okay, so what happens? 30, here I think 75, and it is 45, 25, 50, 80, and 100. Now this was already swapped in the previous step. Now which is swapped, the next sorted element is 80. So put it in the rectangular column, and it has sorted part. This is now sorted part. Next, what is the next step? You have to exchange a of 0 with a of 4, a of 0 with a of 3, a of 0 with a of 2, a of 0 with a of 1. So after the last step, I think continue with a of 4, a of 3, a of 2, a of 0 with a of 2, a of 0 with a of 1. At the last step, when you exchange this, I'll write the last step, you will be getting 30, 25, 45, 50, 75, 80, 100. I think this all becomes the sorted part. Okay. So after exchanging this, what will you get? 25, and here comes 30, 45, I think this is 50, 75, 80, and 100. Now the entire array is sorted. Entire array is sorted. And this is the last step. What you are doing here, you can write down. You are exchanging a of 0 with a of 1. Means you have to repeat the steps what I showed. You have to exchange a of 0 with a of 6, a of 0 with a of 5, a of 0 with a of 4, a of 0 with a of 3. You continue the same method, a of 0 with a of 2, and last step is you are exchanging a of 0 with a of first element. After you do this, the final sorted array will be like this. So the figure on the left hand side means what and all you have done here. The left hand side figures, what it is showing the heap after reconstruction. The figure on the right hand side is showing the sorted part of the array which is there in the rectangular column. The element outside the box means like this. The elements outside the box indicates that the three elements for which the heap has to be created at. Okay, there are three steps here. One is which is in the right hand side, this is the left hand side, and the elements outside the box. So repeat this until you get a single element. Now the sorted array will be 25, 30, 45, 50, 75, 80, 100. If you have to arrange in ascending order, that is minimum heap. If you want maximum heap also, you can exchange it, and you can do it from large element to bigger element to smaller element also using min heap. Thank you.